It is probably one of the worst houses I've been in.
Gail McMahon of Klamath County Animal Control says he removed 2 dogs and 8 cats from squalid conditions on the 16th.
It was bad enough that we seized all the animals that we could. There was approximately 3,500 cubic feet of garbage inside the house.
The home has been condemned, and some of the seized animals have been put down.
Some of them, their condition was as such that they had to be euthanized.
McMahon says 48-year-old Sherry Nelson has previous convictions for animal neglect.
She was convicted in December of 2014, and part of her clause was by the state that she could not own any animals for a period of 5 years.
Nelson has been charged with contempt of court for violating those conditions. McMahon says Sherry and Glenn Nelson and Kenneth Glaspie could face additional charges of first-degree animal neglect at a court hearing Thursday.
We forwarded all of our reports up to the district attorney's office for review. We requested felony charges against all 3 occupants.
Animal Control says an anonymous tip brought them to the house. In Klamath Falls, Lyle Ahrens, NBC2 News.